guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for tuning in. So in today's video I have collaborated with Julienne. It is a South African brand and they were kind enough to send me their entire brow range, which includes a brow pencil, a brow pomade, a brow tint kit, and also a brow cushion, which is the first of its kind in South Africa. And I will be showing you guys how I use the brow cushion later in the video. So basically I wanted to use two of their products, well yes, at least two of their products, so one on each eyebrow. And on this side I used the brow cushion and these were the results, and on this side I used the brow pencil. In my opinion it looks the same. Like I really don't see a difference in terms of, well, honestly this side is a bit darker. The pencil side is a bit darker and the cushion side is lighter. But there's not much of a difference, and that's what I really like about the products. Also the brow cushion is so easy to use, and you guys will also notice that I do this brow quicker than the pencil brow, because with the pencil, you know, you have to color in. The brow cushion, I don't know, the product, it's so, I don't know what word to use, but I don't know, it's easy to spread, so you don't need to go back and dip in every time, and you know, so I really like that about the brow cushion. But yes, as I said, the brow cushion is the first of its kind in South Africa, and you can find all the Julienne brow range. You can find the Julienne brow range at your local discount pharmacies and also on their website, which is myjulienne.com. And yes, that's it. I have finally brought you guys a brow tutorial. I feel like you guys should like give me a round of applause, because like I could never do my brows on camera. I couldn't. I really couldn't. Like, I'm not even joking when I say this. So anyway, just continue watching to see how I did my brows, and also this look will be in one of my following videos because I didn't want to make this video too long. So yeah, continue watching and I'll catch you guys in my next video. So this is the little bag they send the products in, and that is your brow tint kit, your brow pencil, your brow cushion, and the brow pomade. And this is how the brow cushion looks inside. It's a little cute black container thingy, and it has a mirror, which is absolutely amazing. Then it also has a little brush, which has a spoolie and an angle brush at the end. And that is your brow cushion. You have a dark brown on the one side and a lighter brown on the other side. So your brow pomade looks like this inside. It's also in the color dark brown. The brow pencil, also in the color dark brown. It's really cool because you have a spoolie on the one end, and then the brow pencil on the other side. So I'm gonna do the brow cushion on the one eyebrow and the brow pencil on the other eyebrow. So obviously I'm first gonna start by brushing my hair into place. And I'm going to take the little angle brush and I'm going to dip it in the brow cushion, the darkest brow side, and yeah, I'm just going to fill in my brows. And as I said, the brow cushion is very easy to use. It's a nice product to work with because it spreads easily. You don't have to like go in 100 times, dip in 100 times. You don't have to do that at all. And see, I'm even done, basically, in a nutshell, I'm done with the one brow. And I'm just going to blend it in with a little spoolie so it doesn't look, I almost said fake, but you know what I want to say. So the other brow, I'm going to use the brow pencil, starting again by brushing the brow hairs into place. And then I'm going to take the pencil and I'm going to fill in my brows. So basically this product is also actually easy to use, but in my opinion the brow cushion is easier, you know what I'm saying? So obviously your brows can never be twins, so they're sisters, and my natural brows are sisters because the one side has more hair than the other side. And now I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. I got this from Click. No, shit. From Discam. I hope it's still 16. How much was it? Wasn't it like 60 rand or 70 rand? One of the two. But anyway, so I'm gonna use my concealer to conceal my brows and, you know, just clean up around the brows and make it look pretty. You know what I'm saying? So yes, this is very self-explanatory. Everyone does this, and this is why I never really did a brow tutorial, hey, because I don't know how to explain what I'm doing, but you guys can see what I'm doing. And then later I'm just gonna blend it all out using a blending brush, obviously. And yeah, I think I'm done talking now. So now I'm going to go back in with my concealer, and I'm just going to add that to the beginning of my brows just to give it that faded effect in the beginning. And I'm using my retractable brow pencil from Julienne. I'm using the spoolie end just to blend all of that out. And basically, guys, I really do love this product, so do go to your local discount pharmacies and go get them. And thank you for watching.